How to block a contact on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Phone app and click on Contacts. After click on Contacts, so select Contact. After select Contact, click on this eye icon and click on More. After click on More, click on Block Contact. After click on Block Contact, you will see contact is blocked. If you want to unblock, click on More and click on Unblock. You will see your contact is unblocked. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can block a contact on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.